Okay, ready? 1, 2.
I'm a drummer. I come from a family, my mother's a symphony violinist, my dad's an Irish tenor, very musically talented, 2 sisters, musically talented, 3 boys, we were told we're tone deaf. But I'm the only boy that was told I had an inclination to be able to play drums. It was fantastic being able to continue playing in marching bands and come to UB. A lot of camaraderie, a lot of friendship, a lot of practice time. Being in a band benefited me as an individual because it made me feel like I was at home. It just made me feel very, very confident, like I would be successful at UB.
We have student athletes, right? Well, we have student musicians, and that's what we have right here.
The band is huge. Just like the athletes, they have a skill set that they want to use and perhaps they can do something with. A lot of the musicians that come here to be in a marching band, they have a skill that they've practiced for years.
Holy cow!
And it's just a great opportunity to be able to share that and input that into the university, the student body, and frankly, help the team win some games. Some of these students are coming here, it's not for scholarship, they're coming here because there is a marching band and they can participate in it. I like to see us have the opportunity for those students and help them along with that. Perhaps, one of the things is a stipend, a little bit of scholarship, give them a little recognition in high school when they're graduating. Hey, they got a partial scholarship from UB.
Wow, that looks good.
If you've been in a marching band along the way here, come on and help us out here. You know how much you enjoyed it and you appreciated it. Get a little piece of this and help us. You'll really feel good about doing that.